In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and play Bully Anniversary Edition on your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what we want to do is head over to our Play Store, and then from here, we want to click on search and then type in Bully Anniversary Edition. Here it is here. And now we want to click into Bully Anniversary Edition. And now from here, just go ahead and purchase. There is a price to this game. So click on the price. I'm in Australia, so it's going to be $10.99, but depending what region, the price is going to vary. And now if you can't find it in your Play Store, there are other methods to get this. So if Bully Anniversary Edition is not available in your country or even removed from the Play Store, you may have to get it from a third-party site. So like find a reputable source. So use trusted sites like APK Pure or APK Mirror. Avoid shady sources, and then simply search for Bully Anniversary Edition, and then go ahead and download and install it that way.